Now here we're dealing with individual loads. In other words, we have a circuit supplying an individual piece of equipment that is cord and plug connected. Now notice the 60 amp overcurrent device is in accordance with 422.11a. The branch circuits is 422.10, and we figure this individual circuit based upon is the equipment continuous or non-continuous. The nameplate is 45 amps. The equipment's identified for the purpose in accordance with 110.3b as in boy, and inspectors approve wiring and equipment in accordance with the listing and labeling of 110.3b. If that be the case, where it's UL, factory mutual, ETL, I still call Intertech ETL, and the flexible cord is in compliance with 400.7. Now, step one is finding the elements or the components, and we take 422.10a, and the full load current nameplate is 45 amps. And we know it is a continuous load when we read the sections 422.10a. So we take 125% of the connected load, which is 45, to obtain a calculated load of 56 amps. Table 310.16, 56 amps load requires a number 6 conductor. Now, referencing note 4, table 310.16, and any applicable footnote, 56 amps, we need an overcurrent device above the 56 amps, so 240.4b along with this section. We can round it up to 60. So that's why you see a 60 amp overcurrent device at the panel, but you'd have number 6 wire for the branch circuit feeding a single receptacle that would cord and plug connect that individual load that you see in the illustration. So figure 14-26 is illustrating the calculation procedures to select the conductors and the overcurrent device for an individual load or loads in accordance with 210.19a1a, because it is the branch circuit that we're dealing with here, not a feeder.